हाई गाइज इङ्ग्लिस प्रो च्यानलमा तपाईँलाई स्वागत छ। आजको क्लासमा हामीले सेन्टेन्सको प्र्याक्टिस गर्नेछौँ। तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्नको लागि धेरैभन्दा धेरै स्पिकिङ प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुपर्छ। सुरुमा तपाईँले बोल्ने प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु पर्यो। सो बोल्नको लागि हामीले कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने त? सो तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्नको लागि छोटो छोटो सेन्टेन्सबाट चाहिँ तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्न सुरु गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। सो आजको भिडियोमा हामीले सिक्नेछौँ 100+ डेली युज सर्ट सेन्टेन्सको। तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजीको प्र्याक्टिस यी सेन्टेन्सबाट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। ओके, सो भिडियोलाई अन्तिमसम्म नै हेर्नुहोला है त। सुरु गरौँ। म दिनभर बाहिर थिएँ। आई वाज आउट अल डे। आई वाज आउट अल डे। म दिनभर बाहिर थिएँ। तपाईँले भन्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ तिमी कहाँ गएका थियौ दिनभरि देखिन त भन्यो भने चाहिँ म दिनभर बाहिर थिएँ भन्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ आई वाज आउट अल डे। आई वाज आउट अल डे। ओके, एकछिन आराम गर। रेस्ट फर अ व्हाइल। रेस्ट फर अ व्हाइल। एकछिन आराम गर। रेस्ट फर अ व्हाइल। म आराम गर्न चाहन्छु। आई वान्ट टु रेस्ट। आई वान्ट टु रेस्ट। ऊ बिरामी भयो। He got sick. He got sick. ऊ निको भएको छ। He has recovered. He has recovered. मेरो खुट्टा दुख्छ। My leg hurts. My leg hurts. मेरो ढाड दुखिरहेको छ। My back is hurting. My back is hurting. मसँग बोल। Talk to me. Talk to me. उसलाई जान देऊ। Let him go. Let him go. आज मसँग भेट। Meet me today. Meet me today. यस्तो नगर। Don't do this. Don't do this. यो आजै गर। Do it today. Do it today. आफ्नो काम गर। Do your work. Do your work. अर्काको कुरा नसुन। Don't listen to others. Don't listen to others. मैले भनेको कुरा सुन। Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. म आज आउन सक्दिन। I can't come today. I can't come today. आउने कोसिस गर। Try to come. तपाईले बोलाउनु भएको थियो हैन साथीलाई, तर आज आउन सक्दिन भने I can't come today भन्यो भने चाहिँ भन्नुहुन्छ नि आउने कोसिस गर न भन्नुहुन्छ नि। So try to come. Try to come. मेरो कानमा भन। Say it in my ear. यो मेरो कानमा भन भन्नु पर्यो भने say it in my ear. कुन मेरो हो? Which one is mine? Which one is mine? को जानु पर्छ? Who has to go? Who has to go? ठिकसँग काम गर्नुहोस्। ठिकसँग काम गर। Work properly. Work properly. बिस्तारै खाऊ। Eat slowly. Eat slowly. मेरो लागि एउटा किन्देऊ। Buy one for me. Buy one for me. तपाईँ कुनै पसलमा जानुभएको छ हैन, सो मेरो लागि पनि एउटा किन्देऊ न भन्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ buy one for me. आफ्नो सिटमा बस। Take your seat. Take your seat. गडबड नगर। Don't mess up. Don't mess up. यो एक प्रयोग गर। Use this one. तपाईले कसैलाई चाहिँ केही कुरा हैन अथवा केही चाहिँ यसलाई प्रयोग गर न भन्न दिनु पर्यो भने use this one. Use this one. मलाई निराश नगराऊ. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. म बाहिर जान चाहन्छु. I want to go out. I want to go out. Like me, म जस्तै. Like me. Like you, तिमी जस्तो. Like you. Shut up. Shut up. चुप लाग. It's done. यो सकियो. It's done. Give me. Give me, मलाई देऊ. That's all. That's all. यति नै. Stop there. Stop there. त्यहाँ रोक्नुहोस्. They arrived. They arrived. तिनीहरू आइपुगे. Your turn. तिम्रो पालो. Your turn. Show me. मलाई देखाऊ. Show me. For what? For what? के को लागि? Got it. Got it. बुझे. I got it. Any problem? कुनै समस्या? Any problem? It's obvious. It's obvious. यो स्पष्ट छ. It's impossible. It's impossible. यो असम्भव छ. Look around. वरिपरि हेर. Look around. I apologize. I apologize. म माफी चाहन्छु. Allow me. मलाई अनुमति देऊ. Allow me. That's true. That's true. त्यो सत्य हो. It's easy. It's easy. यो सजिलो छ. But why? तर किन? But why? That's all right. That's all right. त्यो ठिक छ. It's nothing. It's nothing. यो केही पनि होइन. It's different. It's different. यो फरक छ. It's good. It's good. यो राम्रो छ. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. गाली नगर्नुहोस्. गाली नगर. Don't abuse. I agree. I agree. म सहमत छु. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुहोस् अथवा ध्यान दिएर सुन. Listen carefully. Talk properly. Talk properly. ठिकसँग कुरा गर्नुस्. It's amazing. It's amazing. यो आश्चर्यजनक छ. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. यो शानदार छ. Believe me. मलाई विश्वास गर्नुस्. Believe me. Answer me. मलाई उत्तर दिनुहोस्. Answer me. Don't ask. नसोध्नुहोस्. Don't ask. Take rest. आराम लिनुहोस्. Take rest. Not required. Not required. आवश्यक छैन. I forgot. I forgot. मैले बिर्सिएँ. No doubt. No doubt. कुनै शङ्का छैन. ढिलो नगर. Don't be late. Don't be late. Come fast. छिटो आउनुहोस्. Come fast. तिम्रो के विचार छ? What do you think? What do you think? तिमी मेरो समय बर्बाद गर्दैछौ. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. मैले उसँग कुरा गरेँ. I talked with him. I talked with him. म घरमा छु. I am at home. I am at home. हामी दुवै एक अर्कालाई मन पराउँछौँ. We both like each other. We both like each other. केही फरक पर्दैन. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. पटक्कै चिन्ता नगर. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. ढोका नखोल. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. धेरै भन्दा धेरै. More and more. More and more. त्यो कसरी? How that? How that? के को बारेमा? About what? About what? कहाँ जाने? Where to go? Where to go? What now? अब के? What now? कसरी भन्ने? How to say? How to say? अरू केही छैन. Nothing else. Nothing else. विश्वास गर. Keep trust. Keep trust. म भन्छु. I say. I say. कति बजे? What time? What time? यो उनलाई दिनुहोस्. Give it to her. Give it to her. यसरी कुरा नगर. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. मेरो काखमा बस. Sit on my lap. Sit on my lap. छिटो गर. Do it quick. Do it quick. यसलाई खुल्ला राख. Keep it open. Keep it open. यो कुनै ठुलो कुरा होइन. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. यो सबै बकवास हो. It's all nonsense. It's all nonsense. यसमा समय लाग्नेछ. It will take time. It will take time. तिम्रो धेरै राम्रो छ. Yours is better. Yours is better. यहाँ के प्रसिद्ध छ? What is famous here? What is famous here? म वरिपरि थिएँ. I was around. I was around. म अझै केही चाहन्छु. I want some more. I want some more. यो तिमीमा भर पर्छ. It's up to you. It's up to you. मलाई गलत साबित गर. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. म यसबारे सोच्ने छु. I will think it over. I will think it over. सबैले झुट बोल्छन्. Everyone tells a lie. Everyone tells a lie. मलाई घुर्न बन्द गर. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. उसले त्यो कसरी गर्न सक्छ? How could he do that? How could he do that? मसँग तिम्रो लागि केही छ. I have something for you. I have something for you. मलाई तिम्रो मद्दत गर्न देऊ. Let me help you. Let me help you. मसँग कोही बोल्दैनन्. Nobody speaks to me. Nobody speaks to me. मलाई केही गर्न दिनुहोस्. Give me something to do. Give me something to do. सबै एकदम ठिकठाक हुनेछ. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be just fine. त्यहाँ भेटौँला. See you there. See you there. यसको बारेमा सबैलाई थाहा छ. Everybody knows about that. Everybody knows about that. मलाई अहिले नै जवाब दिनुहोस्. Answer me right now. Answer me right now. म हतारमा थिएँ. I was in a rush. I was in a rush. उनले मेरो जीवन बर्बाद गरिन्. She ruined my life. She ruined my life. सबैले उनलाई मन पराउँछन्. Everyone likes her. Everyone likes her. मसँग झुट नबोल. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. म सधैँ तिम्रो साथमा छु. I am always with you. I am always with you. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.